So what's up YouTube, it's your boy Kim, and today I'm back with another video. Okay, so guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can throw your friends with like millions or even thousands of followers, free followers. This method is only gonna take you like 10 seconds, okay? But remember, this video is only for educational purposes, okay? So what you gotta do, say that you type in your name, or you can go to the TikTok, but best way I think is just to type in your name. So I'm just gonna search my Instagram, my TikTok account. I'm just gonna wait. So I'm just gonna write TikTok, then I'm gonna write at Kimbo Red. Okay, then I'm gonna click it. So this is actually my TikTok, so my TikTok account. So just click on your account, wait for it to load. Okay, so as you can see, I have 3 followers, and there is no way that you can actually throw your friends with 3 followers. Okay, so what you're gonna do is right click, then you're gonna click on inspect element. Okay, I'll quickly block this. Click on inspect element, wait for it to load. Okay, so it is written followers data e2e followers / count. Where there is this 3, that's how you're gonna edit. Okay, just quickly delete it. So for instance, let me just put like 15k. For it to be more realistic, I'm gonna put like 15.3. then caps lock, make sure you put caps lock, either M or K. Okay, so I'm just gonna put K because 1,000 followers is actually like more believable than 1,000,000. Okay, then I'm just gonna click enter. Okay, so guys, wait, this is by VIQ. Let me just turn off. Okay, so as you can see, I now have 15.3k followers, and as you can see, you can actually scroll, which makes it more believable. Okay, so guys, please check out my TikTok and just smash that follow button, and also like this video so that many of you guys can actually throw your friends. So if this video was entertaining to you, please smash that subscribe button and like this video. That being said, I will see you in my next video.